Myntri ketenat kakot kakya ke jela Meghalaya James PK Sangma hagas ngibaar jong katayo la pli patba ya ka Paediatric Intensive Care Unit jong ka Ganesh Das Hospital Hashlong ban ajing sumar ki Khunlung Khynnah ki ba shitomjur. Habakran ke jengilang James PK Sangma ulong ba palat ya laipo ngut ki dongpang hagani hospital ki dai ki bedang Khynnah. Ban namar kata ka jingdon jong ka ICU na ka bentagi Khunlung Khynnah kalong ka badon kambha hagani ke jaga sumar. Ulapan paru ke jingkemen bala ai bura mengene project gi pat dong sok snong jong jela kum chibenta na jing rakhe ke jing dap san posnem ya ke jing yo la ke jong jela. UDHSMI Dr. Amanwar ulapan pau bagane ke jing play ya ka Paediatric ICU ka de gesngi sa jing kan mau na ke benta ke hospital ka bam shimladan satya ya kum ke lad ai jing sumar hakipor ki bamenchwa.
The primary focus of the intensive care is also to support the organs of the children and prevent them from further deterioration. Having said that, we realize that Ganesh Das Hospital, being the district referral hospital, caters to the majority of all critical ill infants and children from all the nearby districts. And the admissions, as we see from the census, is very high at around 7,500 per year, out of which approximately 30 to 40% of the admission comprises of critically ill children. Moreover, the majority of patients are coming from the poor socio-economic background who cannot afford care at the private hospital.
So these are just indicators of how important it was to have a pediatric ICU, and today it is indeed, as we celebrate 50 years of our statehood, to be inaugurating this pediatric ICU. I think it is very, very symbolic, it's very significant, and the need of the hour that today we are being able to inaugurate this pediatric ICU, and it gives me great honor and privilege to dedicate this pediatric ICU to the people of Meghalaya on this proud occasion where we are celebrating 50 years of our statehood.